Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve keeps stopping on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve keeps stopping on Discord app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Discord, and you will enter here. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.